today I'm bringing you a little update on our tomatoes that we've been sharing the journey with you, and we are excited for this episode. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's continue. The tomatoes are doing very well. The fruits have set already and there is more flowering going on, so the future looks bright and we are very much excited to see where this venture will take us. We've not had any serious issue when it comes to diseases, but we've had a little challenge with pests, and we made a thorough video on how we were controlling tutor absoluta recently. We'll share the link so that you can revisit the same. So apart from the issue of tutor absoluta, we've also had an issue with white flies and thrips, but that has been under control. We've used our organic spray of pyredrin to control the same. And then now what we've done also, we've increased the rate of watering, because now at this stage the plant requires a lot of water, so we've increased the amount of water we are applying to the plant. In fact, we've kinda re-engineered our beds so that it gets to accommodate more water that now can percolate into the soil slowly and meet the plant's water needs. We've also been removing the new suckers that are coming up like this, because we don't want to overstrain the plants. We want to concentrate the energy towards producing the fruits and aiding in the new flowering. So we remove all the suckers. So the suckering is important also at this stage. Otherwise the journey looks good. We shall be sharing with you every step we are taking to realize this tomato venture. But until the next video, I encourage you to like, subscribe, comment and share, and we'll see you on the next video. Ciao and keep growing.